Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be talking about highlighter, but in not the way that we normally speak about it. So obviously you can do what you want. Just so we're putting that out there, you can pick green and blue and mermaid, whatever color you want. It's absolutely fine. But for this video, I want to be discussing highlighter in a different way, in a translucent, invisible way. So in order to give the skin a glow and a sheen and to look truly beautiful without being garish or standing out by showing a colour. So let me break it down for you because there are a few rules. Okay, so the first one, if you have porcelain skin, the fairest of the fair, your highlighter colour that will look the most translucent on the skin is silver. It will appear as a wash, it will appear translucent and beautiful and will give the skin a glow. Now if you have light to medium skin, that would be me. The best highlighter colours for the invisibility but to give the shine would be eggshell, beige or champagne. Those will give the most beautiful translucent finishes. For Mediterranean skins and lighter skins, women of colour, the best shade is gold. Gold will look absolutely beautiful, will give the skin a wash and will give it this incredible glow without the colour being really apparent. And for women of colour, I'm going right the way up to the deepest of complexions, which is just stunning because what I love best is the red undertones that are present in women of colour. It is so lovely. Anyway, so for women of colour, the best highlighter colour to pick for the translucent wash is burgundy. Burgundy will give the skin the most beautiful, and I truly mean this, the most beautiful glow. Now remember that when picking highlighters for shine, not colour, they don't have to be applied just to the cheek. They can be applied to the cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, the brow bone, the inner corner, the eyelid, above the brow. All of those areas will help to bring the face in unison so that you've not got one colour on the lid and then a different colour on the cheek and then a different one in the inner corner, so that the eyes are like this, you know, because I'm always looking at it from a perspective of beauty and what's easiest on the eyes. But those are the colours, so let's run through them again. Porcelain skin, silver. Light skin tones to medium, beige, eggshell or champagne. Mediterranean and women of colour, gold. And then women of colour with the deepest of complexions, burgundy. That's your list. Now I'll put some links down there for really good highlighters in all different colours and ranges so you can pick and choose. But this is just a general video to give you a simple idea on the best colours for picking a highlighter that will make your skin glow and not make it green or blue or orange or turquoise or mermaid. See you next time. Bye-bye.